Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and the source file side by side. This lets you verify live references immediately. Once done, go to Data and check Edit Links to see listed sources and status. Make sure links show correct paths. Now scan for formulas beginning with equals, hyperlink, or containing brackets and file paths. Those are the actual linked cells. Do this first so you know where to focus when you break, update, or troubleshoot links later. Next, inspect each link in detail. Use Edit Links to update values, change the source path, or break links when you need static data. To understand link flow, use Trace Dependence and Trace Precedence on the Formulas tab. This visual map shows where external values feed your workbook. Then test individual formulas with Evaluate Formula and press F9 to recalculate. If a value changes when the source is open, your link is active. Make incremental changes and retest to confirm behavior. To finish, decide whether links should remain dynamic or become static. Copy and paste values to lock data, or set up Power Query for repeatable refreshes. Either approach reduces fragile references. If you see #ref or broken paths, use Change Source in Edit Links to point to the correct file, and check named ranges and hidden sheets that often hide the real reference. One key troubleshooting tip. If values vanish, search for external workbook names in Name Manager and hidden sheets before rebuilding formula.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.